96 divided by 12, here 12 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 12. 12 times 0 0, 12 times 1 12, 12 times 2 24, 12 times 3 36, 12 times 4 48, 12 times 5 60. To find out the multiplication table of 12, just add 12 with the previous step. 0 plus 12 12, 12 plus 12 24, 24 plus 12 36, 36 plus 12 48, 48 plus 12 60, 60 plus 12 72. This process will continue. 12 goes into this 9 how many times? 0 times, as our current dividend 9 is less than divisor 12. So 0 times 12, 0 times 12, that gives you 0. Subtract, you are getting 9. Bring down the next digit 6. So now you have 96. 12 goes into 96 how many times? 12 goes into 96 8 times. Let me check. So multiply this 12 by 8. 8 times 2 16, write 6, carry 1 to the next column. 8 times 1 8 plus 1 90, 96. So your assumption 8 is correct. So 8 times 12 96. Subtract 0. As your remainder is 0, we are done. So 08 means 8 is our quotient or answer.